Welcome to SBU 405D Project Management. My name is Felicia Frida Aidan Akor. I'll be taking you through this Unit 3, Project Scope Management. We're going to focus our discussion on project time management, which is session 4. By the end of this session, you should actually be able to explain what project time management is and give some importance of project time management. So yes, project time management actually includes the management of processes within the project for you to be able to complete your project on time. It is very important. We know that if you are not able to meet the time factor, the cost is going to increase. You're not going to be able to also give your stakeholders or your consumers what they need when they need it. And so time is very important. Else you lose the relevance of it, you're going to incur more cost, and it can affect other things in there as well. And so when it comes to time managing time spent and then the progress made on the tasks and activities involved in the project, it is very, very essential. And this can only best be done when we plan, we schedule, we monitor and control all the tasks and activities that have been defined and identified as part of our project. And so we made mention earlier of our project scope definition and all those ones. If you have your project scope, which is telling you you need to do this, these are the deliverables you are supposed to do, these are the constraints, this is the timelines for them, then we then need to be able to actually manage how these things unfold. And so you need to plan for them, you need to schedule that this activity or this task is supposed to take place on this day at this time by this person, and we need to monitor to make sure that yes, this person is doing this activity at this place at the time they are supposed to do it. And then whenever there is variances, we then need to do the controlling function to make sure that at the end of the day we are still able to meet that objective or goal which we set. And so it is very, very, very critical in there. The importance of time management to project is that one, it provides assurance of the project success, at least in terms of meeting your scheduled dates. You told your clients you're going to build them a 25 lecture facility. You told your clients you're going to introduce your new mango chips to the market in 3 months time. You told your customers you're going to give them this service or this product in the next year. You want to be able to honor your word, so that next time you give them something they can believe you. But if you say you give it to them at this time or in this day or on that day, and then it happens and you fail them, you realize that that sort of assurance is lost for it. And it also helps you when it comes to effectiveness and looking at efficiency. When we're looking at effectiveness, it's about you being able to achieve your target. So if your target was to produce a product or introduce a new product into the market, and you've been able to do that, that is bravo, that is effectiveness. Efficiency is now looking out for your input as against your output. So at the end of the day, you realize that maybe because there was some delays and things or some assumptions you didn't put in place, when the time deadline was getting close, you had to put in more people, more money for you to be able to meet that deadline. Yes, you've met that deadline, but you've not been efficient because you've incurred more than what you've gotten out of it. And it also reduces stress. You realize that when your project is delaying, the stress that comes with it is another. There's financial stress, emotional stress, physical stress, and stress is not really too healthy, especially when it's going extreme. And so when you're able to really plan and you do it very well, you manage your time properly, it helps you reduce stress on the project, and it also results in quality output. We've seen a lot of shoddy work being done on our road, in even the products that are coming to the market. Some products are rushed into the market, some services you realize is just a rushed something, and so because it's rushed, the quality is tempered upon in order for them to just be able to meet the deadlines, which is not the best and is haphazardly done, and we don't want that from us from here in this class as well. So it's very important for us to actually look at time management for our projects as well. So in this session, we've looked at project time management and its importance, and we urge you to actually practice these and not just learn. I hope you did enjoy this session. I'll see you in the subsequent sessions. Thank you.